as for me, when you want a good laugh, I'm in fine state.
Don't turn your head all the way, because then I can see the back of your head. Oh my god.
The true heart of Epicurus is her.
How are you?
And we find you cribbing lines from Horace as well.
Well done, John.
Why are you always smiling?
No.
Speaking for the rest of the herd.
Alright, drink it through the mouth.
I'm sorry.
No.
Many wolves
Can't put this.
are always.
Quit fingering your mouth hole.
Yeah.
You look like you're biting your, like, nails.
I need a straw.
Evening when one of our musicians is
No.
still listed as a missing person.
Yeah.
Yep.
Poor fellow.
Kelly.
So I confess something wicked. I can't help feeling just like
That's cheating, Hannibal Lecter.
relief.
Oh, that's so sad.
The face looks so funny right now.
Looks like Dick Cheney.
Oh my god.
No.
I hear you swallowing.
That's what she
I'm afraid
said.
you won't even try. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Okay, Vito.
No.